Okay, phone ran out of storage, so the video stopped abruptly. I'm still on track, 12:44. It took like 12 minutes so far, and then 2 minutes to figure out what the heck was going on. Alright, anyway. So I was explaining why X changes. The distance compressed when the block comes to rest changes when the mass has been changed to 40. Is because there is more energy, potential energy, now that the mass is greater, and therefore the spring gets compressed more. Okay, good thing we're almost done. So part F, there's now a friction with mu of 0.15, and recalculate part C, which was determine the distance the spring has been compressed when the block comes to rest. So we'll use the same equation, except there is now a work of friction. This will be plus. Yes, so there is now a work of friction. So mgh equals 1/2 kx squared. So work of friction, work equals force times delta x, which means work of friction equals friction times delta x. So friction times delta x, okay? So mass will be 20. This will be 9.8. H will be 6 plus x sine 30 equals 1/2 200 x squared plus f of k equals mu times f of n. And then delta x, distance traveled with friction, will be 6 plus x. Since the block travels down 6, and then it will travel down x distance as it compresses the spring. Okay, so we've done this before. 20 times 9.8 times sine 30 equals 98. 6 plus x equals 100 x squared plus mu f of n. Okay, let's have a neat little drawing right here. So here we have the block here. You have f of g, and fgy will be perpendicular to this ground, which the block moves across. And f of n will be directly across from that. So fn will equal fgy, and since fgy equals mg cosine of 30 in this case, f of n will also equal that. So back to this problem, mu times mg cosine 30 times 6 plus x, okay, this will be 588 plus 98x equals 100x squared, plus mu is 0.15, mass is 20, gravity is 9.8, cosine 30 times 6 plus x. Okay, rewrite this. Okay, so 0.15 times 20 times 9.8 times cosine 30 is 25.46 times 6 plus x. So we can distribute it to become 152.76 plus 25.46x. 588 plus 9.8, or 98x. Okay, so like before, we can move everything to one side to set up a quadratic equation. So we have 100x squared. Subtract 98 to both sides, we get negative 72.54x. Subtract 588 on both sides, we get minus 435.24, and we will get x equals 2.48 meters. Okay, I don't know how much storage my phone has left, so I'll just end this right here. Bye!